Hi everyone, this is Nishan from DAX Week. It's another Saturday and it's also a Happy New Year. So I would like to wish all of my subscribers and friends a very Happy New Year. I hope everyone enjoyed. So today I am going to discuss the ISINSCOPE function. So what is an ISINSCOPE function? What it actually is? It basically allows you to it allows you to calculate a condition based on a scope you give it. So if a certain condition is in scope, then you get this A formula, and if you have this scope working for you, then your B formula applied to that condition. So this formula isn't used much, but yes, you can use in this certain condition. It's a use case where you can actually make most of this function. You can also use it in conditional formatting. So for example, say if you want to format by meeting a certain condition, you want to format by green color, or if you want to actually format something by red color, you have a separate condition for that, some sort of that way. So let me show you what the formula is doing right now. So before this, I just want to show you that what it does. So right now this is year on year change. You can see that we started from 2014, and you can see the year on year change. If you drill down to a certain level, say month, you see the month on month change, and when you drill down to day, then you see day on day change, without me having three separate visualizations, a single visualization which helps you get all of these results in a single page, which is very intuitive and interesting for the viewer to actually see that he or she can see the entire thing in one visual. So how this is working? This is it. This in this I've used is in scope. So when the year is in scope, give me year on year change. If month is on scope, then give me month on month change, and when it's day on day change, then give me when it's full dates. I mean all from starting to end, give me day on day change. So we'll just see that how it's working here. So variable A is nothing but just the total sales. It's the sum of sales. Variable B is I have it's basically there are three variables, and the first one is by day, by second one is by date, and the third one is by year, as you can see that. So date add date minus 1 day. So when it's so one is month and one is by year, and these are three separate y on y, I mean day on day, month on month, and y change. And when I'm returning, what I'm returning here is if is in scope date day. So when the day is in scope, then give me x. What is x? X is the day where we have calculated the day on day change. If month is in scope, give me s. So s is month on month change, and when the year is in scope, give me m. So just a simple formula. You can have separate measures for this, but just to explain in a short video, I've calculated all the functions here. So just use it like this, and just drag your date and this measure here. So you can see that I have all the three hierarchy. I'm having the full hierarchy other than the quarter. You can also include the quarter here as well, but I'm not using quarter right now. And then obviously once you go to you drill down more, you can see the results. It's very interesting. So this is what I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please keep on commenting and liking on my video and subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Wish all of you a very happy new year. Bye bye for now. Thank you.